So if your kitchen faucet spray head won't stay in place and keeps hanging down, this might be the quick fix. So this product was sent to me to review and share my honest thoughts. This is the Kooloba faucet magnet replacement kit. It's basically a small replacement magnet for pull-down kitchen faucets. When the magnet inside the faucet wears out over time, the spray head stops snapping back where it should. Instead of replacing the whole faucet, you just need to replace that small magnet piece. It also comes with a small tool that helps remove the old magnet and install the new one, which makes the job easier. It's also labeled here, like which side to remove and which side to install. Most people can install this pretty quickly, and once it's in, the spray head should snap back in place again. It also comes included with some instructions so you know how to install it correctly. Hopefully this video helps you make a more informed decision about this faucet magnet replacement kit. I would definitely recommend this. Thanks for watching. All the links and details are in the description below, and if you want more videos like this, please consider subscribing.